Hey, what is up? Welcome to Software Engineering Concepts in Python. This is Ayo the General. In this video, we are going to look at mocking in Python. So mocking actually creates simulated objects that replace real components during unit testing, allowing developers to test code in isolation by substituting complex dependencies with controlled alternatives. This approach actually enables testing hypothetical scenarios without triggering actual side effects, such as verifying error handling or testing database interactions without making real changes. So we'll go further and then we'll check out how it does work. So mocking frameworks like the unittest.mock creates objects that simulate the behavior of real objects in controlled ways, and these mock objects can actually return predefined values when methods are called, raise exceptions on demand to test error handling, and then track which methods were called with what arguments, and verify interaction patterns between components. This isolation significantly speeds up tests and provides clearer feedback when failures occur, making it easier to pinpoint issues in your code. So for example, this is a block of code for testing the unittest.mock, which is also an example and also a benefit of how mocking works in Python. So you can see it right here. Do well to enlarge this video, take your time, enter the values in your VS Code, and let's test this. Do well to give us pause this video and then give us feedback in the comment section. Thank you for watching this video. Let's go to the next video on the playlist. This is Ayo the General.